Hello. Welcome to LIM Studio. I will be showing you how to activate a 450 GB Telkom data. I'm using Android mobile to activate the SIM card. Windows phones and iPhones also works. And the data works in all internet devices such as modem, router, pocket Wi-Fi etc. etc. This require one Telkom SIM card, but the best thing is to have 3 SIM cards because Telkom give this offer to different customers on different tariffs. They offer 3 tariffs. That is Telkom More, Samsung Care, Smart Broadband Wireless Prepaid. The benefit of having all these plans is you be notified when this a promo, so this tutorial will cover one tariff plan, for the main SIM card. For other tariff you will repeat this video if you will want to activate other SIM card to different tariff. Let's begin. Step 1. Changing tariff plan. Open dialer on your mobile. Go to the Telkom menu by dialing *180#. Menu screen opens. Reply with the number next to tariff change. On the next screen, reply to change current tariff. Then change the tariff to Smart Broadband Wireless Prepaid. So if you don't see it, jump to step 2. If you see it, reply to Smart Broadband Wireless Prepaid. Wait few minutes, is approximately less than 1 to 3 minutes. You will receive a confirmation SMS. Sometimes is not sent. You can check by repeating the first step in this video. This time you reply on view current tariff. Step 2. Recharging your prepaid. Recharge your Telkom SIM card with 60 rands. To recharge, open dialer. Dial *188, voucher pin followed by the hash key. You will receive an SMS showing a recharged 60 rands plus free 60 rands to call any network. Step 3. Buying 450 GB data. Open dialer on your mobile. Dial *123, followed by the hash key. Reply to more nice. On our side is option 1. On the next screen, reply to data offers. On our side is option 1. On the next screen, reply to 450 night data at 59 for 30 days. On our side is option 4. All the steps are completed. You can now connect to the internet from 12 AM to 7 AM. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos.